Hi, loves. Happy day. What are we on? I think it's 4 of Vlogmas. And today I have been waiting to open this. I really wanted to open it like weeks ago. But I want to open this PopShelf Crafter box with you and see what goodies are inside. So if you're not familiar with PopShelf, it is a company that I've been speaking about because I just found out about it like a couple months ago and I went there. It's amazing. It's kind of like the dollar store and Home Goods mixed together, but way neater and way like you can go in and find things. Like you don't have to necessarily dig through stuff. It is amazing. I have some videos on it. I've done a couple, so I will link those below as well. But one thing, the last time that I was in there, they were running this huge sale. So I got a lot of stuff that I want to share with you guys as well. And I will do that in a different video. But part of it was if you signed up for their rewards program, I think it was, you got a box right away. Like you could take it out of the store with you right away. And the boxes were themed. So this was a crafter one. I believe there was a beauty one. There was a home decor one. And there may have been one other one, but I chose the crafter one, of course. And so I'm excited to dive into what is in this box with you guys. So let's get her open here. Okay, I already see there is some pens here. Let's see, 2 zebra pens. We love zebra. I have a whole bunch of zebra, so I love them. And this is the Sarasa Dry 0.7. I love a good 0.7, so I will test these out. And they seem to be brown, so that's good. Let's take out all of this stuff. Oop, oop, oop. Okay. Is there anything else in here? Nope, nothing else in here. Wow. Okay. So, we got in here Deco Art Crafters acrylic paint, in bright red and white. So I do some painting. So this will be good, but I will admit, is that it? Yeah, this is, I will admit to you that while it is a free box and I am always grateful, this is not a lot of stuff. This is not for it to be this big box, right? I guess I was expecting maybe a project to be in here or, you know, just more sample of what they do offer, because they do have a lot of stationery and great pens that you can get there. So I just wasn't expecting it to be that, but of course, again, it's free and forever grateful for that you just got it for signing up for their, but maybe I would have tried one of the other boxes to see what is in there. So this is what came in the box. And I think, honestly, we could have probably cut the box down to like half this size, so that it doesn't take up too much space, but it's interesting. So have you received a crafter's box? Do you guys have PopShelf where you live? Let me know if this was your experience. But thank you guys for watching. As always, thumbs up the video. I have more great Vlogmas videos coming for you soon.